To MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a trade. It's a 2024 Saxdor 320 GTC. This boat was only used for one season. It's available here at MarineMax. Starting here off the transom, we have twin Mercury 300s with joystick piloting. We have the seat, the F seat. This has two different positions. Faces forward, also faces aft. We have a high-low teak cockpit table. And on the Saxdor 320 GTC, the port and starboard side terraces will fold down, giving you a lot more real estate off the back of the boat. On the bow, we have a nice lounger. We have a bow sunshade. I also want to highlight windlass anchor. And if you look up on top of the roof there, we have a radar, and the customer put a FLIR night vision camera on this boat. Now we're inside the 320 GTC. We have an opening sunroof. The port and starboard side windows open. This allows a lot of air in. On a not so nice day, you could close the windows, keep the roof shut, and be out of the elements. Here we have a high-low teak table. This is a cabin solution, so you can make this into a bed. Right now we have the helm chairs facing aft to make this a spot where you could eat. We have two refrigerators on the boat. We have one here and also right here. We have a Kenyan electric cooktop along with a sink, and they give you a massive amount of storage underneath that. Let's go up to the helm area. So on this boat we have a JL audio sound system, and this is all air conditioned inside here as well. This boat has twin Simrad units. These are the 12-inch displays, Mercury joystick piloting, windshield wipers, anchor windlass. We have a bow thruster on this boat along with automatic trim tabs. And this customer added an additional 12-inch Raymarine Axiom screen for that FLIR camera that I mentioned before. Also a VHF radio. Let's go down into the cabin. Great size cabin for a 32. Plenty of headroom. A lot of space down here to take a nap, get out of the weather. And then we also have a toilet with a sink around here. That concludes the walkthrough on the 320 GTC. Give us a call, MarineMax in Huntington, 631-956-4865. Thank you.